Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will do my first advent calendar unboxing. So yeah, it's kind of late, but let's try to do it. Advent calendars nowadays are quite expensive, so this is the most affordable I found online. And yeah, I got like a good deal with this. I ordered this in Notino, and yeah, I did not like fix myself so much because I'm having so much allergy these days, and I need to film this today because this is the only time that I have, and I have this box for a while. And yeah, let's see what's inside the box, though I know it's an advent calendar. So yeah, it looks like this. Oh my god, that's a lot of plastic. So yeah. Ooh. So first, let me show you that I got some freebies perfume. I have the YSL Black Opium perfume sample, and then another one is this Mugler Alien Goddess perfume sample. Wow, it's really nice. And I have a Flower by Kenzo perfume sample also. That's how it looks like. And then the last one is, wow, this is Hugo Boss, what is this, perfume. This is how it looks like. Let's check this one. Ooh, this one is nice. So that's how it looks like. This is, how many ml? Let's check this one. Can it see? So this is in 5 ml. Thank you so much, Nutino. So now let's proceed with the advent calendar from Essence. So this is how the packaging looks like. So much bubble wrap. Oh I hope I ordered the right item. Ooh. It says Catrice Cosmetics. I'm a little bit confused now if it's the Essence Advent Calendar. But let's take a look of this. This is kind of strange. So yeah, it is the Essence DIY Advent Calendar 2022. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. This is how it looks like in real life. That's how the packaging looks like. It's kind of cute, and I think they use all the space as much as they can in this box compared to the Catrice that I unboxed last year. It's kind of big, but I have so much like packaging here going on, a lot of plastic, and this is the third box. Here's the advent calendar. This is still sealed. I actually like the packaging. It's very like recyclable theme. So yeah, I'm having my allergy. I have red nose. It says here that this is Essence DIY Advent Calendar. Do more of what makes you merry. It's nice. And that's all the information. It's quite heavy, but not very heavy. This actually like cost 19.99 euros, and I purchased this for around 17. I have like some discounts that I use from the website. So first we have the this information card, and it's written, you will see here the items, the 24 products you are going to get from the advent calendar. That's how it looks like. And then next is we have this nice sticker. Wow, that's very cute. And then the paper bag. That's very nice. Look at that. And this is the back. And this is what's inside. It's still covered. So let's go ahead and unbox this one by one. So yep, it is nicely packed. And let's open this, and you are the first one to check what's inside. Something fell down. So yep, the first one is we have this. I actually have this, the 2-in-1 eyeliner pen. They have like the thin and thick applicator. This is actually a good one, and this is not a waterproof eyeliner. Then the second is, let's put this one here. We have this superlast eyeliner. This is waterproof. I also have this one. That's how it looks like. Next is we have this Essence French manicure nail polish. That's how it looks like. It's kind of like light pink. It's actually a nice color. Next is we have this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I actually have the red of this. It's like purplish color. This is in the shade of Dabo. I mean 15 Watch Me Do. Why did I say that? So yeah, it's actually a nice lip gloss. It's pigmented and very hydrating, glossy. A little bit it's a little bit sticky, but it's fine. And next we have another Shine Shine Wet lip gloss. It's the same, but this is in the shade of peaches and cream. It's nice. It's like for summer. Next is, ooh, oh wow, I want this one. I like this. This is French manicure click and go nails. I haven't tried any of this kind of thing, but I'm excited to try this. And this click and go nails. Next is, oh, we have the Essence, the blush. I don't have this item in the shade of 50 Blooming. Yep, it's kind of light for my shade. It looks like some kind of like a powder, setting powder like that. Next, I also have this one. I have, next is this Kajal pencil eyeliner in the shade of Beach Bum, number 26. Next is, what is this? Eyeshadow applicator. We have 5 pieces of it. It's cute. I don't use this kind of applicator anymore, but yeah, it's included. Next is, let me show you if I have this. This is long lasting eye pencil in the shade of 30 Gold Bling. Yep. Next is, what is this? Oh, nail stickers from, this is Magical Spell. It's nice. That's how it looks like. We have 39 pieces of these stickers for the nails. Ooh, what is this? Is Lash on, Lash off volumizing magnetic accent lashes. There's a lot, I think 6 pieces. This is number 01, turn up the volume. And this is there is some like instruction on how you should use this one. So it's kind of short, so I think this is a good, like, if you want to have some kind of natural kind of eyelashes, which I actually prefer, but I don't use fake lashes. Next is we have this super curl volume mascara eye opening. I don't have this. Oh, it looks nice. There is like how the applicator looks like. But this is not waterproof. Next is Clean and Glam top coat nail polish with biodegradable shimmer. This is how it looks like, some kind of brownish or grayish color with some glitters in it. So yep, next is, oh, it's a little bit open. I have this Essence eyebrow gel, color and shape. This is in the shade of 01 brown. That's how it looks like. I use it just like a couple of times, but I think I have like a darker shade of this. Oh, I have this one. This is Essence Plumbing Nudes lip gloss. I actually like this one. This is in the shade of That's Big 04. It's actually a nice lip gloss. Next is, ooh, we have some soft and precise lip pencil in the shade of Be Mine. I actually have this. I have a lot of like Essence products, a little bit open. So here's how the color looks like. It's a little bit like pinkish nude color. Next is, we're almost done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Day 18. We have lipstick. It's still sealed, so I'm not going to open this. True Me Semi Shine 102 shade. I have like also few lipstick from Essence that has the same packaging as this. I still use them sometimes. And next is, ooh, this is Essence Shine Last and Gold Gel Nail Polish. This is in the shade of, I don't know, it's not written here, but this is how it looks like. It's some kind of green or bluish color. This is like a mint green or something, but it's different from my ugly nail polish that I'm wearing right now. Ooh, what is this? This is Glow Like a Mermaid highlighter. Wow, that's very nice. Look at that one. So yep, this is in the shade of 10 Forever Mermaid. That's written at the back. I'm really not feeling well right now. So next, wow, this is Essence, another Essence Shine Last and Go nail polish. This is in the shade of 58 Endless Summer. So there's a name here. This is 42 Everybody Say Yeah. It says there at the back. Can you see that? Why did I say it that way? We have another lipstick. We're almost done. This is Me lipstick 07 Enough. This is the shade. It looks like some kind of brown color or plum color, purplish. The first one was kind of like pinkish reddish color. The first one that I found from this box. Next is we have eyeshadow. I actually have, I'm not sure if I have this kind of shade. This is 04 Soul. I actually have few of this kind of eyeshadow. I think I used like one for my video using Essence. So this is Semi Shine 104 First Love lipstick. Yep, I need to clean my nose. So that's it. Ooh, I'm actually done. So the last one was the lipstick that I unboxed today. So yeah, I would say that getting like 24 items in the advent calendar for a cost of 20 euros, and I paid 17 with a lot of previous perfume, which I can use when I travel somewhere after this week. We're going to France, so yep, I prefer bringing that one than bringing a big bottle of perfume, which is heavy. So yep, I actually broke the box a little bit. I don't know why, maybe from getting the item. And so yep, and then I'm happy I have like 24 items or 24 products from Essence, and then 4 freebies from Notino, samples of perfumes, which is great. So yep, let's see if I can have another advent calendar unboxing this coming month. Let's see. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And my voice sounds really strange, and please excuse me for that. And yep, thank you so much, and I hope you are having a great day, and have a nice day, and take care, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.